Hi, it's Mrs. Mallet, and today we're going to talk about polynomials. Now, the definition of a polynomial is it's the linking up of multiple terms. Okay, so I know you're thinking, what did you just say? Linking up terms? I got you. Let me explain. There's three different classification types of a polynomial. There's monomials, there's binomials, and there's trinomials. Now, monomials, if we look at our prefixes, mono, okay, mono means one. So a monomial consists of one term. Let me give you some examples of that. An example of a monomial might be 4x or negative 3x squared y to the 7th or 5y to the 4th. These are examples of monomials because it's just one term. Okay, so binomial, bi meaning two, if you look at your prefix. So a binomial is going to be two terms. Okay, so what does that look like? Well, maybe you have 4x plus 3y, or 7y squared minus 3y. Okay, it's the linking up of two terms, whether you're adding them or subtracting them. Alright, so now we're rocking and rolling. Okay, so monomial is one term. A binomial means two terms. So now what about a trinomial? What does a trinomial mean? Tri, prefix, that's three terms. So trinomial consists of three terms. Okay, so now what does that look like? Well, let's say that you have x squared plus 5x minus 8. See, you have three separate terms there. Or another example could be 5y squared plus 8y minus 7. Okay, see how you're linking up of three terms. So now I bet you're thinking, well, what if you have more than three terms? What is that? Really, there's no special word for it. Really, all we have in classification-wise of polynomials is you have a monomial, a binomial, or a trinomial. If it's greater than three terms, there's just no classification for it. Okay, so we talked about polynomials. See, now all of these that I showed you today are a polynomial. And a polynomial is when you have some terms and they're just being linked up together. Okay, so we learned about polynomials today.